Howdy folks, and tonight I have a Friday cocktail for you. It's called The Last Flight. You're going to want a ½ ounce of each of these things, and you're going to want to put them in your cocktail shaker with a little bit of ice, shake it, and put it in a chilled glass to actually serve. The main takeaways I want you to take from this cocktail is going to be boozy. This is the first cocktail I've made with Chartreuse, and some people haven't tasted it. It's a very unique taste. It's kind of herbal. I get a lot of pine, lemon, and so some people are going to like it and some people are going to hate it. Give it a try and maybe you'll love it. And another cocktail trick I have learned from my old manager is if you don't have Aperol on hand, you can use half Campari and half water and you'll get the same flavor profile, kind of just taking that Campari back just a little bit. All right, got the cubes. Again, ½ ounce of everything, Aperol, Green Chartreuse, and you cannot interchange green for yellow. I'm big on trying to substitute stuff when I can, but I looked it up and they said the flavor profiles are very different. So don't think that you can interchange these. All right. Hope everybody has had a good Friday. This week has been pretty solid for me. For folks that have followed my engineering journey, I just signed a deal with Spotify. So I'll be starting there as an engineering manager in October. I also don't know if y'all know this, but some cocktails I taste before I make them on camera for y'all, but a lot of them I just make them right on camera, and so you see my genuine reaction. I'm really curious about this one. Oh, look how pretty it is. Kind of like a pinkish. Oh, wow. It's even prettier than I had anticipated. Look at that. See? Ooh, very good. Can't remember if I said it, but it's also a ½ ounce of fresh lemon as well. So this is also very refreshing. I could see myself making this for my girlfriends if we want to hang out on a hot summer day or something like that. Very refreshing, not too boozy because you only have a ½ ounce of bourbon in there. So yeah, give this a try. If you have some green chartreuse on hand, I think you'll love it. Cheers, folks.